Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class, we are going to discuss the last stage of data science project's life cycle, that is optimization. So, optimize. So, if the model is not performing well and if its accuracy is poor, then we need to optimize the model, friends. So, in order to optimize the model, what we do? So we need to cope up with the latest data trend changes and again start our steps to collect the new data, prepare data, analyze the data and retrain the model and re-evaluate the model and redeploy the model. So all those things we should do again. So if the deploy model is not performing well in the course of time, so at the time of deployment, if the model is working fine, after 2 months it is not, then what we have to do? So some new data may be coming, new trends are coming, so that model should be uh, accept those new changes, and unfortunately that model is not trained to that new data. So what we have to do, we have to retrain the data with the new trendy data. Okay, so then the model will update itself and then it will come up and predict properly. So that is uh, the job of optimization, friends. And so so in order to do that, we have to collect that new data. So data collection will again start, and preparation of the data we have to do, and the analysis of the new data we have to do, and then we need to retrain the model. Already we trained the model with the old data, and we need to retrain the model with the new data set, and then re-evaluate whether it is properly working or not with this new data set, and then we have to redeploy the updated model, friends. Okay, so this optimization is a continuous process, friends. It is not a one time job. Okay, the optimization is a continuous process and it goes on and on and on, friends. Okay, so it is a continuous job, optimization. So this is the brief about optimization. So we had completed all the stages of data science life cycle, projects life cycle, friends. So it starts with the business requirement, and the first stage is data collection, relevant data collection. Then second stage is data preparation, which consumes 80% of uh, project's time. And then the third stage is data analysis. We need to analyze the data and the relationships, and selection of proper data and the proper modeling, proper algorithm to model. And then the fourth stage is model building, which the actual model will be trained by giving by feeding the data, so that the model will learn from the feeded data. So and then it will come up and predict the uh, outcomes. Okay, so after that we have to evaluate the model in the stage of fifth stage, that is model evaluation. We need to evaluate whether the model is performing well or not, whether the model is predicting accurately or not. So those kind of things we will do in that model evaluation. After that we have to communicate those results, and then after getting approvals, so we need to deploy that in the required platforms. uh, so after deploying the platforms, I mean deploying your model on the required platform in the um, sixth stage of the data science life cycle, so we need to monitor its performance in the production environments. Okay, so in the production environments, if any errors, performance issues comes up, we need to address those performance issues. So eventually we have to optimize our model by uh, by retraining the model, reevaluate. To retrain the model, we need to collect the required data. All those things we need to perform again. So this optimization is a continuous process and it goes on and on, guys. Okay, so in this way the data science project, from its inception to the completion, will all the operations will flow like this, friends. Okay, so and in the next class we will discuss uh, one example, uh, one example business requirement. Then we will move through all these stages, friends. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.